Hi guys, we put Red Chair Press on our holiday gift guide. They sent along some great books that will give you an idea of what kind of books you can purchase through them. These are lookbooks. Okay, this first set that we're going to look at. So this is Numbers in Nature. Nature is all around me. And inside these books, flowers have different numbers of petals. Many flowers, like these trilliums, have 3 petals. Good to know. Trilliums can be found in woodlands in spring, but don't pick this flower. It may not grow back again. And then snowflakes come in many shapes and sizes. It is rare to find 2 that look alike, but all snowflakes have 6 points. The size of a snowflake depends on the number of ice crystals that connect together. Most flakes are made of about 200 crystals. Okay, so the numbers in nature, so we have sizes in nature. From the tiniest ant to the biggest elephant, nature is full of things of different sizes. Turn the pages to explore some of them. How many have you seen? So great books with very large pictures for kids with facts thrown in there. We can't hear them, but blue whales can hear each other from 900 miles apart. Blue whales have been found in all the world's oceans. Colors in nature. The world around us is bursting with color. Just go outside and look around. How many colors can you find in nature? So this is great with, nature, because even self-help gurus say go out and get with nature. It's for at least 30 minutes every day. Great books. From apples and cherries to tomatoes and strawberries, many fruits and vegetables are red. Can you name some others? So interactive books to read with kids. Read in the classroom. Shapes in nature. Okay, so we're going to look at shapes there, and then we have therapy animals. So this is another lookbook. Meet some therapy animals. Their job is to help people with special needs. Therapy animals go to hospitals, they go to nursing homes, and even schools. Wherever they go, they get a smile and a big hello. So we have service animals. This is in the series. Okay, those were Nature is All Around Me. That was this series of lookbooks. Okay, so there's 4. Red Chair Press. And now we're going to the Animals That Help Us series. So we have therapy animals, and now we have service animals. Have you ever seen a monkey turn on a light switch? What about a horse on a train? You may say, no way, but read on. Find out about these service animals and the important work they do. And we have military animals. Dogs are man's best friend. They can bark to warn soldiers of danger, and they can bite or attack an enemy. They can also look for people in damaged buildings. Dogs to the rescue. We have horses on patrol. An important job, clip clop. Everyone wants to pet these horses and they love it, but the horses have an important job. They are in New York City's Mounted Police Unit. Most years, the New York City Police Department has 50 to 60 horses on duty. Guide dogs for the blind. Guide dogs make it easier for blind people to get around. That's their job. How do these guide dogs learn to do it? The blind or people who cannot see. There are more than 60,000 students in the United States who are blind. Labradors are smart and calm, and they like to work too. Okay, so those are the look books. And next, let's see. Okay, I think we have one more lookbook. Hold on a minute. And the animals. So we have animal detectives. And, oops, the other set down I just had. Police dogs. Dogs are a man's best friend. They are also good friends to the police. Dogs help the police catch a suspect. They can track down a missing person. They can even find dangerous things like bombs or guns. How? Police dogs work at airports and important buildings, and they help keep us safe. So in the animals that help us, let's see, we should have 6. So I probably have one more somewhere. Let's see, or did I go through 6? Let me see if I did. books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, I did. 6. Okay, so we have 6 in that series. We have the Animal Detectives, Therapy Animals, Service Animals, Horses on Patrol, Military Animals, and Guide Dogs for the Blind. Now let's look at another series. So, again, these are all from Red Chair Press. These are the Jupiter Twins. Okay, so we have the Jupiter Twins Field Trip to Mars. And these are Funny Bone books, first chapter books by Jeff DiNardo. They're illustrated by Dave Clegg. And great for beginning readers. So they're beginning chapter books. And let's see here. So we have Field Trip to Mars and Lost on Earth. And we also have Scout Trip to Saturn and Party on Pluto. So those are in that series first chapter books that are exciting for kids. Talk about outer space, and they can read them themselves, which is nice if you do a book it. I know my son does book it. These are great books to read for book it. Great books to read, every night. Have your child read to you. And so these are a good option for beginning readers. Again, they are by Red Chair Press. They're on our holiday gift guide. I have a letter here from someone that works with the publisher saying that they can send out sets directly to our giveaway winners. I've sent you full sets of our 3 recently released series. Oh, okay. So I guess we can have a giveaway for one of each set, which will be fun. Don't you think so? So yeah, you've got to look in the video description for those guys. I think I'll put them up in sets. And then they also, Red Chair Press sent us a catalog of all their books, and these can be ordered by, schools and libraries. We have lots of great books. Look at these animal lookalikes and animal superpowers. So yeah, stay tuned for they have On the Job, Let's Celebrate America. Lots of great books for the classroom and the library. Scary Tales Retold. So yeah, so look for that, guys. We will be having a giveaway. Remember, then we'll have a giveaway for the animals that help us, and so there's 6 books in that series. All right, and whoops. So giveaway for that, and then we'll have a giveaway for the Jupiter Twin series, and then we'll have a giveaway for the 4 books in the Nature is All Around Us, and Jupiter has 4 books in that. So yeah, so we'll have all of those different sets. I have one extra in here that's not supposed to be in here. That's supposed to be in the... Yes, okay. So we will have giveaways, 3 different giveaways, okay? 1 for this, 1 for this, 1 for this. So 3 winners. Let me know what you think, guys. They'll be on our holiday gift guide, and check out Red Chair Press. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one. Bye-bye.